Proper airflow plays a major role in maintaining a comfortable and healthy home. When fresh air circulates effectively, indoor spaces feel more balanced, less stuffy, and easier to manage throughout the year. Double-hung windows are especially valued for their ability to offer flexible airflow control, making them a popular choice for homeowners. In Washington residences, double-hung windows provide practical ventilation solutions that support comfort in changing weather conditions. Understanding how double-hung windows work. Double-hung windows feature two operable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom. Unlike single-opening windows, both sections can move independently, offering more control over how air enters and exits the home. For Washington homeowners, this dual-sash design allows airflow to be adjusted based on comfort preferences, weather conditions, and room layout. Encouraging natural air circulation. One of the key benefits of double-hung windows is their ability to promote natural air circulation. When the bottom sash is raised, fresh air enters at a lower level. When the top sash is lowered, warm air can escape from above. In Washington homes, this top and bottom airflow creates a natural circulation pattern that helps regulate indoor temperatures and refresh living spaces without mechanical ventilation. Managing comfort in changing seasons. Washington's climate can shift throughout the year, making adaptable airflow important. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to fine-tune ventilation during different seasons. On warmer days, opening both sashes supports effective cooling through natural airflow. During cooler periods, opening just the top sash allows stale air to escape while limiting drafts. Reducing indoor stuffiness. Homes with limited ventilation can feel stuffy or stagnant, especially in kitchens, bedrooms, and living areas. Double-hung windows help address this by offering controlled airflow. For Washington residents, improved ventilation helps maintain a fresher indoor environment and enhances overall comfort. Supporting better indoor air quality. Effective airflow helps reduce indoor air pollutants, odors, and excess moisture. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to bring in fresh air while expelling stale air. In Washington residences, this supports healthier indoor air quality and a more pleasant living experience. Improving comfort without overexposure. Some window styles offer ventilation but limit control. Double-hung windows give homeowners the ability to choose how much air enters the home and where it flows. For Washington homeowners, this flexibility prevents overexposure to outdoor elements while still enjoying fresh air. Enhancing comfort in multi-story homes. In multi-story Washington residences, managing airflow can be challenging. Double-hung windows support vertical airflow patterns that help balance temperatures between floors. This makes them especially valuable in two-story homes or properties with varied room elevations. Combining airflow with energy efficiency. Modern double-hung windows are designed to seal tightly when closed, preventing unwanted air leaks. This allows homeowners to enjoy ventilation when desired and energy efficiency when windows are closed. In Washington homes, this balance supports comfort without compromising performance. Safe ventilation options. Opening the top sash provides ventilation while maintaining safety, especially in homes with children or pets. For Washington families, this adds peace of mind while still allowing fresh air inside. Professional installation ensures proper performance. To fully benefit from airflow control, double-hung windows must be installed correctly. Proper alignment and sealing are essential. For Washington homeowners, professional installation ensures smooth operation, effective ventilation, and long-term reliability. A smart choice for airflow control. In Washington homes, double-hung windows offer unmatched flexibility when it comes to managing airflow. Their dual-sash design supports natural air circulation, seasonal comfort, and improved indoor air quality. For Washington residences, double-hung windows provide a reliable and adaptable solution that enhances everyday comfort and control.